Something that I like to do when I'm installing a 4-panel Andersen sliding patio door is to actually unbox all 4 panels, and I like to set them up against the wall to see what I have. I have a stationary panel, an operating panel, another operating panel, and then another stationary panel. The stationary panels, the furthest panels, they can go on the left hand or the right hand side when you first unbox them. It does not matter, but you do choose when you put them into the frame and then you secure. So say I want to take this one and I put it in the right side of the frame and then I secure it, it becomes the right hand panel. Then this one will become the left hand panel. So when you first unbox them, you can choose, it doesn't matter which side. The operating panels are exactly the same. When you unbox them, it does not matter which side you put them on. Andersen has drilled handle holes on each side of the panel. Now I've set these up with stationary panels on the outside and the operating panels on the inside. So that tells me that this is where my handle is going to go. I'm going to put my handles here and my lock here and my astragal here. Then on the outside edge out here, I'm going to put the interlock. I'll pull the sticker off. There's a couple plugs that go here, and then I'll put this interlock here. The way that I know that this is the actual exterior of the panel is this profile down here. The other way that you might know that this is the exterior is if it's an aluminum clad door, the aluminum is going to go to the outside and the wood's going to go to the interior. On these stationary panels, this version of this door, they have already pre-drilled these holes, so that clearly tells me that this is the interior side of the stationary panels. So just the big takeaway from this for you is to unbox your panels and then set them up how they're going to go in the door. That way you reduce the chance of making mistakes. It's a little intimidating to drill holes in these panels and maybe not know exactly where they're going. So just set them out, visualize it, and then start putting them into the door frame.